Hi to all. Now we can execute the assembly language program for addition of two 16-bit numbers. By clicking the exam memory, we have to give the address location, starting address location, that is 8000 I am giving. Then start writing the hexa code 002A, next 5080, next ED, next 2A, 5280, next 19, next D2, next 0E, next 80, next 04, next 22, next 70, next 80, next 78, next 32, next 72, next 80, next 76, next we have given the input hexa code to run the program. Then by clicking the reset button, then click the exam memory to give a input value, that is two 16-bit numbers. So for these two 16-bit numbers we have to give the 4 locations, means 8-bit carries 2 4-bits na, so likewise we have to give the 4 locations as an input. So by taking the input address location 8050, giving the value of 12, next 51 as a 14, 52 as a 16, next 53 as a 19. So we have given 12, 14, 16, 19. Then execute the program. To execute, we have to click execute and then click go, and then type the starting memory address to read the program to execute. By entering the data, we can click execute, then it will come like E. When it arrives the E na, your program will be executed in correct way. So then click reset exam memory, go to the given input first location 8050. First we have given 12, next 14, next 16, next 19. Up to this we have given the input value. So first 8-bit will take the input value in a 70 location and 71 location as an output, and if any carry has been arrived now, it will store in 8072. Okay, then we can check reset exam memory 8070. The first two 8-bit addition, the given input value in 8050 and 8051 has been added and stored in 8071, that is 12 plus 14 is equals to 28. Next, in the second location it will come the addition of the value 16 and 19, that is 2D. 16 plus 19 is equals to 2D. And then next location there is no carry na, so if carry is arrived na, it will display in 72 location, 8072 location. So likewise, then we can giving the another number as an input value. We can give another value. Click reset exam memory 8050 is the input value of address location 5, first value, that is I am giving the 14, make a note of it, and second value as an 15 and third value as in 16 and fourth value is also 15. Then click execute, go 8000 execute. Once check the input values 8050, we have given the first input value 14, second input value 15, third input value 16 and fourth input value is 15. So click reset, go to the exam memory. We have executed already, so we can check the output value in the address location of 8070. By adding 14 plus 15, we get 2A as an output, and then 16 plus 15, we will get the 2A as an output, and then there is no carry na, it will display like 0. If any carry is arrived, please note it, then we can try the carry value by giving the another input value. Click reset, go to the exam memory 8050, give the input value that is more than 8-bit, 91, 93, 95, 97. Then click execute, go 8000 execute, reset exam memory 8070 is the first output location for first 2 8-bit addition, that is a 26, and then 71 as a 2B, and we get the carry 01. How we get the carry 01? By adding these values, we got the carry. If any carry is arrived na, that will be displayed in 72 location. Okay, I hope you all understood the execution. Thank you.